HTML lists are used to present list of information in well-formed and semantic way. HTML lists are used to present list of information in well-formed and semantic way. There are 3 different types of list in HTML, and each one has a specific purpose and meaning. Unordered list used to create a list of related items in no particular order. Ordered list used to create a list of related items in a specific order. Definition description list used to create a list of terms and their descriptions. Let's see how ordered and unordered list works with an example. Let's create a HTML lesson 4.html and add title as lesson 4. Let's add heading for ordered list with list of items where all means ordered list and li means list item. Add horizontal ruler and check in browser. Let's add a heading for underordered list with list of items where all means unordered list and list of items. Add horizontal ruler and check in browser. Let's check the recheck the type variations for order list with type and check. Let's add type is equal to I where I represents lowercase Roman numbers and check. Let's now add type is equal to A where A represents uppercase letters and check. Let's add type is equal to I where I represents uppercase Roman numbers and check. Let's add heading for definition list with list of items. In the example we can see DL which is definition list. DT stands for defines the term. DDL stands for defines the description. Let's now delete type from definition list as type is not supported.